Hi, we know that the safety of your employees and patrons are top of mind, so today we're going to talk about cleaning a Launchpad. One thing we do not recommend is using any Lysol or Clorox-based wipes because they do leave a film when you are cleaning them. So we do recommend, however, using a mild soap with water, alcohol-based spray, and we will have other listing of materials on our website. So you want to use a microfiber cloth, and you want to take, I'm going to use soap and water that I'm going to spray onto my microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to wipe down the Launchpad, the outside, and even the back. I'm also then going to dry it. And in addition, I'm just going to make sure that I'm doing the inside of the case. Again, thoroughly then drying it. Pop the Launchpad in. Do the same thing with the cords. As well as the brick. Make sure you dry as needed. Pop it in the case and you're good to go.